If you wish to open the device manager in your Windows system, then either read through the article on the website or simply watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. While the procedures keep changing with updates and builds of the operating system, two methods will remain constant. The first method is to search for the device manager from the Windows search bar. When the option appears in the search results, click on it to open the device manager window. The second method is to press the Windows key and the R button together to open the Run window. In the Run window, type the command devmgmt.msc and hit Enter to open the device manager window. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club and write your query. We will surely answer it. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.